Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. Remember, you're at the place where everything's made with love in every stitch. I am here today with the word of the day with Create with Becca. This is my video 10, but the word of the day is for November 15th, which is color. So I decided for what I want to do with the word color is take some scraps and just glue them on here, and it'll be all different colors. So we're gonna use some of this color, some of that color. Let's see what other colors we can find. We have a little of color on here. Let's see, any more color in this little stack? No. We also have, let's see, no, well, no, we can use this for no, not that. That's for project. Let's see. I'm looking, guys. I'm looking. It's hard. It gets harder and harder to do these words of the day. We can use this for color. Or maybe, no, not the topper, because I have an idea for the topper. And I think that's all I'm going to do for color. Let me see. I see something here. We have that. We have these two. Okay. So, I put that back there. And we're going to get started. Okay. We're just going to rip and flip and get it on the paper. Okay. So here I'm making a little collage type piece. Don't know what I'm going to use it for yet, but it'll be used for something. Now I may be quiet at times. That's because I'm concentrating on getting this done. I want the pattern, no, I want this side up. Okay. We'll put that on this side. Then we're going to get this color and put it right in there. And then we're going to pull this color here. Like so. Put that there. I'm going to take this one and put it up in the corner. Now we're going to put it right here. Then we're going to take a piece of this. I'll put this up in the corner. This has texture on one side and it's flat on the other. So I'm putting the texture side down. Now, I'm going to go back with this piece here. I'm just ripping them and putting them on. So, you know, it'll cover all the white, but I can always put white back on. Now we're going to get the red color here. And we're going to cover this right here. And we still have some white peeking through. So that is our collage. I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified of when I go live, when I do upload new content, or when I do a premiere. Please always remember you're on the channel that makes everything with love in every stitch. Please be kind, be caring, be crafty, be safe, be blessed. Happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye.